Good morning, everyone. In the heart of Jerusalem, young King Joash begins his reigns, guided by wise priest Joazedad. Joash, rescued from the clutches of Queen Athaliah, grew under Joazedad's faithful mentorship. But the temple, the house of the Lord, was in ruins. Joash saw the neglect and made a vow. We must restore the temple, collect offerings, and repair every stone, every corner. Following Joash's commands, the priests collect offerings. Workers toil day and night, restoring the temple to its former glory. Remember Joash, it is not just stones and wood we restore, but the faith in our covenant with the Lord. Years pass, Joazedad's times come to an end. With a heavy heart, Joash says goodbye to his mentor. Without Joazedad's guidance, Joash faced new challenges. Corruption creeps in his court, leading him astray. With dissatisfaction grew among the people. The once great king, now lost and vulnerable, faced betrayal and unrest. In a tragic turn, Joash was assassinated by his own officials. His legacy tarnished by the corruption he could have not escaped. Yet the temple he restored stood as a testimony to his early reign. You have a blessed day, and see you tomorrow.